Hi, I'm Gary Elekes, co-founder with Andrew Allen of Contractor Headquarters. www.contractor.services is our website. Now I'm here today to talk to you about website development and conversion. Conversion is the name of the game. There are hundreds of companies out in the marketplace that will claim to build you a website that will convert, leads that will come to you, etc. And while that may be true, SEO, digital brand management, is the long game. So the type of product that I want you to experience is one that has speed insights, the algorithm that Google has that basically gets you this page speed loading that you need in order to be positioned in the marketplace. We're going to build you a customized set of content, and we're going to put you in a position where you're able to take a low-cost product that we have and be able to get into position to rank in terms of your keywords that are important to you, not just any keyword. So what I'd like you to do is consider going to our website, www.contractor.services, schedule yourself a demo. We'll talk to you about whether or not we're a fit, and we'll talk to you about the products and services, and if we're a good fit, we can move it forward. Take care.